Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a shrimp and vegetable stir fry with rice noodles. So the very first thing that we've got going, we've got a pot of boiling water for our noodles, but they literally only take 1 to 2 minutes to cook. So we're going to hold off on those just to let our boiling water kind of go for a few minutes. And we're going to begin our saute process. If you've got a wok, this is the perfect time to use it, or a large skillet works just fine. We've got some garlic, a little bit of shallot. You could even use red onion, you could use scallions, whatever you want to use there, it works just fine. Start to brown those up. We have some sugar snow peas. We also have our shrimp. And I'm going to go ahead and go right in with our shrimp. Start to cook. Do a handful of our peas, and you can do these straight frozen. They will thaw as you saute them. Now we've also got some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, a little bit of rice wine vinegar, and a little bit of water. We're going to add those in here in just a couple of minutes. So you really don't need any salt in this because between the oyster sauce and the soy sauce, you've got plenty of sodium content, which is kind of the case with a lot of stir fries. Anytime you're using soy sauce, you can kind of use it in place of using salt. You throw some cracked black pepper in there. I'm going to bring the heat up on this to about medium-high. Let these really start to kind of cook down. Okay, so now we're going to add about 1/4 cup of water to this mixture. We're going to add our soy sauce, our oyster sauce. It's going to add a lot of flavor. You don't even need very much. And our rice wine vinegar. And as that's finishing up, we're going to go ahead and drop our noodles. As I said before, they really don't take long to cook at all. Pull them out as one large nest. Drop them in. And they instantly begin cooking. Few minutes on those. Pull everybody together here. Super fragrant. Alright, so now you can see our noodles are cooked. You can pull them straight out. Do it in a couple of clumps here. Kill the heat. Toss everybody together. Alright, so we'll plate this up and we'll show you the finished product here in just a couple of minutes.